Welcome to our course on microservices in Python. In this section, we'll dive into benefits and challenges of using microservices. Understanding this helps you make informed decisions and about when and how to use microservices in your project. Microservices architectures involve break down a large application into smaller independent services that can be developed, deployed, and scaled individually. One of the primary benefits of microservices is scalability. Each services can be scaled independently based on its load and resources requirements. Microservices allow for greater flexibility in technology choices. Team can choose the best tools and language for each services. Here's the sample of the code. Here's the service 1 in Flask Python and then service 2 in Express.js. With microservices, failure in one service does not necessarily bring down the entire system, improving fault isolation and resilience. Here, we simulate a failure, raise exception, and then return if depth service to return service to operational. Despite the benefits, microservices introduce complexity in terms of development and management. Each service requires its own deployment, monitoring, and maintenance. Here's the sample of Docker file code, and here's the service too. Ensuring data consistency across multiple services can be challenging. Transactions spanning multiple services need to be carefully managed. Here's an example of the code. Microservices communicate over the network, which introduce latency. This can affect performance and need to be optimized. To summarize, microservices offer significant benefits like scalability, flexibility, fault isolation, and improvement. However, they can also come with challenges such as increase of complexity, data consistent issue, and network latency. Understand these factors will help you better decide when to use microservices. Thank you for joining this section on benefits and challenges of microservices in Python. In the next session, we'll start building our microservices step by step. Let's get started.